chickens. The chicken vlog.
You're welcome, Todd.
Good morning.
No.
I'm gonna just take a dookie on the carpet.
What? I made you food.
Angel.
It's sitting on the counter. Yours has no sriracha sauce on it.
Who took a dookie on the carpet?
Come here.
Who took a
Come
dookie?
here.
Oh, you gotta go outside.
You want to eat adult food? You want to share my carpet?
Take a dookie.
You want to wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning and be up till 4?
It's gonna be a busy day.
It's going to be an exhausting day. Because why? We were up the entire night shitting our brains because we had adult food. Thank you, Sierra.
We have to move the chickens.
Oh, God, I forgot.
It's chicken day. Where's the food? Look at it! Oh, amazing, amazing.
It's been a morning. Let me just tell you. This one, right there, she decided at 2 o'clock in the morning, thank you, Sierra.
Thank you, Sierra.
From 2 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the morning, you want to go outside and take shit. Right? Right? Yeah. And then, oh, it didn't stop there. 6:35 comes around. She wants to drink some water. She drinks an entire water bottle. Pees on my carpet. Then, it's currently 12:43. At 12:11, she shat on my carpet. Not shit, shat. Okay? You know why? Because Sierra
Thank you, Sierra. Thank you, Sierra.
gave her adult dog food yesterday because she was hungry. Hungry. So now she's had the shits all morning. Thank you, Sierra.
Because Sierra. Thank you, Sierra. Thank you, Sierra.
My dog has massive, explosive Mondo Duke diarrhea. You know why? Because she was hungry. Hungry.
Oh, she's right.
I need Jesus. And church.
Just got back from the gym. We're off to move the chickens.
Look at all them chickens.
Look at all these chickens. That was funny. She was just like, what? Welcome to the vlog, chickens.
Chickens!
Some of them are moving, some of them aren't moving. Obviously the big ones, not like the little guy. He's so small. Oh, there's blood on my hand. Chickens time!
Chickens. Look at all those.
Look at all them
Here,
chickens.
hi.
We're gonna move it.
Oh my God.
We're gonna move it! They're huge! Look at them! They're huge! I should have brought the tripod, I don't know why I didn't.
You better be picking these chickens up because ain't no way just the three of us doing this and you're just be sitting there recording like leave the vlog. Leave the chickens.
Keep the vlog.
Are we live?
We are.
We're live from the chicken coop where 4 girls attempt to put chickens in their hut. Oh, I just zoomed in. Cooper. Hello. Hello. You want to eat the chickens? It should be interesting.
You better be picking these chickens up because ain't no way just the 3 of us doing this and you're just be sitting there recording like leave the vlog.
Be enough, right?
Sierra's the chicken mom with the plan.
I don't have a plan, I'm winging it too, guys.
Plan. All right. We're all blonde here. We're all going blonde.
Somehow. Put all of this on the, well, not all of it, but like break it up and make a layer.
You want to do the top first so we know that they have some for nighttime?
Sure.
Smart idea. Think smart.
School bus. We were the piercing squad. Now we're the chicken squad.
Brought that up.
Oh yeah, we all got piercings together. What we got pierced is none of your damn business, and it was all Sierra's idea. It was like the pregnancy pack, but the piercing pack. And it was Sierra's idea.
Thank you, Sierra. Because Sierra. Thank you, Sierra. Thank you, Sierra.
Sierra's the bad influence in this
I
group.
didn't start it. I brought up an idea.
Okay. Okay.
You better not be holding the camera, not doing shit.
You better be picking these chickens up because ain't no way just the 3 of us doing this and you're just be sitting there recording like leave the vlog.
I'm gonna hold the damn chicken. So right now.
Paying for the chicken.
Right now, yeah, oh my God, I throw up. Right now, we're in the chicken coop. So is this sort of like bedding?
Yes, yeah. It's a bedding. It's like their comfort.
It's their comforter. Damn, they have more of a bed than I do. I have no bed. So looking good. About to do it up. Morgan is sweating.
Mentally gotta prepare. If anyone drops the chicken, you're screwed because it's recorded.
Fine.
Don't
They can, like,
drop
spread their wings
your
out, like-
chicken.
Hold it and fucking run and like a potato.
All right, let's set this bitch up.
I have to go to Walmart anyway.
Go get the chicken.
And then I'll just get string from Walmart.
You can get your nipples pierced. You can hold it. Sure. They have beaks though. Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. I'm holding a chicken. Oh my god. Please be good. Oh my god. 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 He's not doing anything. I know he tried to bite me. He tried to bite me and I'm holding him and the chicken went cry. No! No! Oh, it's moving. It's moving. Right, you feel the wings, like trying to. Look at him. He's just chilling. Oh. He's just like legs down. Like, hell no. No, fuck that one. No. Fuck that one. He's so sweet. That was the mean one. He was the mean one. Look, he loves it. Oh, so. Look how peaceful.
We did it.
You think that's good enough?
We did it with a chicken.
They're fine. You just took it out and handed it to me like it was a friggin'
Chickens?
puppy.
Well, I tried not giving you guys the black one because he's like the a-hole.
The big one that you gave Zoe tried to bite her.
True.
That's the nicest one. Maybe you were just touching in inappropriate places that it didn't like. Can you guys reach the water?
Maybe they're just getting used to it.
You can fucking reach that shit.
Welcome to your new home, chicken.
Should I shove one of them up in here and see if they like it?
No, let them explore. Show them how to get like up the ramp.
Shove one up in there.
Yay!
Oh wait, watch him go down. Is he gonna fall? Oh, he's got hops. Is anyone sweating?
The deed is done.
Held my first chicken.
First and last. Professional.
They're so cute! Look at them!
True.
I would bang it on the door. Oh, you guys can reach it. Is the water too high though?
Nah.
You guys are okay. You found the food and you're fucking chewing on the floor.
Oh, he has a bug.
Daddy. Ah, look at you chickies. You guys are so cute.
Chickens. The chicken vlog.
You're welcome, Todd.
You're welcome, Todd.
Todd, you better make me potato
Here
salad.
with the chickens.
Oh no, Todd's gonna spoil all of us. Make potato salad. So we just move the damn chickens for him.